Namaste all of you. Today we will discuss about food preservation. Food preservation is the process of giving an appropriate physical or chemical treatment to food in order to prevent or slow down its spoilage. This is called food preservation. What do you mean by preservation? It usually involves preventing the growth of bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms as well as retarding the oxidation of fats which cause rancidity. Now, what is rancidity? Rancidity means having disagreeable odor or taste due to decomposition of oil and fat. Now we will discuss methods of preservation. The first one is drying. This method reduces water content sufficiently and thereby prevent or delays bacterial growth. Some grains like maize, wheat, rice are preserved by drying process. The another method of preservation by sugar. Jams, jellies, squashes are preserved by sugar. Sugar reduces the moisture content which inhibit the growth of bacteria which spoil the food. Now preservation by common salt. Common salt has been used to preserve meat, fish for ages. Meat and fish are covered with dry salt to check the growth of bacteria. Salting also used to preserve amla, raw mangoes, tamarind, etc. Now preservation by storage and packing. These days dry fruits and even vegetables are sold in sealed airtight packets to prevent the attack of microbes. Preservation by oil and vinegar. Use of oil and vinegar prevents spoilage of pickles because bacteria cannot live in such an environment. Vegetables, fruits, fish and meat are often preserved by this method. Chemical method. Salt and edible oils are common chemicals generally used to check the growth of microorganisms. These are called preservatives also. We add salt or acid preservatives to pickles to prevent the attack of microbes. Sodium benzoate, sodium metabisulfate are also common preservatives. These are also used in jams and squashes also. You might have seen in the milk packet pasteurized milk. What do you mean by pasteurization? Pasteurized milk can be consumed without boiling as it is free from harmful microbes. The milk is heated to about 70 degrees Celsius for 15 to 30 seconds and then suddenly chilled and stored. By doing so, it prevents the growth of microbes. This process was discovered by Louis Pasteur. So it is called pasteurization. Now vacuum packing. We use vacuum packing because vacuum environment deprives bacteria of the oxygen needed for their survival. It therefore slows spoiling. We can use cold treatment also for preservation. The low temperature also inhibits the growth of microorganisms. So we store some food stuffs in our refrigerator also. Now heat treatment. Some food items like milk are usually boiled before their use or storage. Boiling kills many microorganisms. So we use also heat treatment.